Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get Wix Studio. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, in order to get Wix Studio, first of all, we're going to open a new tab and then search for Wix Studio. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the first link. And then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Start Creating. And then this will take you to this page right here. Create with Wix Studio, built for the needs of agencies and freelancers. This will give you advanced editor with tools and features designed to help deliver top quality sites to clients. One unified workspace for you and your team to manage all sites, templates, and apps, and professional solutions for agencies like client handover, customer care dashboard, and more. So right now, I'm going to click on Try Wix Studio, and then you need to choose an answer for this question. How do you plan to use platform? As part of an agency, as a freelancer, or as a part of an enterprise? So right now, I'm going to choose as a freelancer. What kind of services are you providing? You need to choose between these: web design, web development, marketing, or other. For example, I'm going to choose marketing, continue, and then what would you like to do next? Either create a site or explore your workspace. So I'm going to click on Start Creating, and then you're going to be right here. You can choose a template from here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on Edit, and then this will take you here to this page. Just wait for it to load, and then you're gonna be right here. So basically, guys, here you're gonna find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your site. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.